we have different operators. So after doing Java, your journey of Python will be very easy. Okay, you will learn very fast because you have did your hard work before. So you will learn it very quickly. Fine. So first I will go for the next topic. Okay, then I will explain you the programs which I have given you last time. So next topic, as we have seen, we have discussed about like variables. We have discussed about data type. So what is the topic we are going to cover today, guys? So very simple. आज हम क्या क्या टॉपिक्स देखने वाले हैं उसको थोड़ा ओवरव्यू कर लेते हैं. So which topic we are going to see today? So we know how what is if, what is else, these things, right? So we are going to do we are going to like work out on work and discuss those as well. But for now, we are going to take what is the concept you will learn today. Okay, so what will you learn today? Okay, so today we are going to see what is my data type conversion. Okay, what is data type conversion, and we have learned this in Java, guys. What is my this data type conversion? Then second topic we are going to see like if else, or we can say conditioning statement. Okay, so we start with the variable, then we go for the data type conversion, then we go for conditioning statement. So these are two topics we are going to cover today. First is data type conversion, and second is like conditional statement. Okay, then we will go for the looping statement, then branching statement, right? Then we will go for this. But today what you will learn about what is my data type conversion and conditional statement. Okay, let's start with the discussion. What is meant by data type conversion, guys? What do you know? Can you recall this? What is my data type conversion? Yes, what is mean by data type conversion? Anyone, guys? If you said something wrong, it's totally fine. क्या होता है डेटा टाइप कन्वर्जन? यस गाइस, व्हाट इज मीन बाय डेटा टाइप कन्वर्जन? क्या होता है, पता है गाइस आपको? यू नो व्हाट इज माय डेटा टाइप कन्वर्जन? बताइए क्या होता है? यस, साउंड आ रहा है मेरा प्रॉपर्ली? कैन यू हियर मी गाइस? कैन यू हियर मी प्रॉपर्ली? यस और नो? मुझे मेरा साउंड आपको आ रहा है प्रॉपर्ली? कुछ प्रॉब्लम है फ्रॉम माय साइड?
यस सर, आ रहा है सर.
आ रहा है तो बताइए ना आंसर, क्या होता है डेटा टाइप कन्वर्जन? So data type conversion is simply means converting, right? Converting, sorry, converting one data type. Okay, data type conversion is simply means converting one data type into another. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, guys, are you getting this? What does this mean by data type conversion? So data type conversion simply means that converting one data type into another. Are you getting this? Yes, are you getting this, guys?
Yes sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
please respond. Are you getting this? What is my data type conversion? Yes.
Converting one data type into another.
Yeah, converting one data type conversion. You can see data type and conversion. Convergence means it will convert from one form into another, right? As like जैसे हम पहले क्या करते थे, आप जैसे अगर आपको if you wanted to get some अगर आपको आटा चाहिए, if you wanted to get अगर आपको आटा चाहिए रोटी बनाने के लिए, सो आप गेहूं को मशीन के अंदर डालोगे और आपका आटा वो जो है वो निकलेगा. उसी तरीके से कन्वर्ट होता है, जैसे आपका जो गेहूं है वो आटे में कन्वर्ट होता है आफ्टर पुटिंग दैट इनटू अ मशीन. सो योर डेटा आफ्टर व्हाट इज माय डेटा कन्वर्जन, मे बी वी कैन से you can convert one data type into another data type. So okay, so what is the meaning of this? I'm not getting. Let's go for practical implementation. With the help of practical implementation, you will get more about this. What does this mean? How does it work? And everything. You don't have to worry about thing. हाँ, अगर आपको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये theoretical मुझे बातें समझ में नहीं आ रही, it's fine, totally fine. When we do implementation, and you will learn it. So why there is a need of data type conversion? Why we need this? Because sometimes you are getting the data in not you are getting the data in like in string. Okay, if you are fetching data from somewhere, so you will get the data in the form of string. And maybe for your application, whatever you want to do on that data, suppose you are getting a string and you can't do arithmetic operations on that data, so you need to convert it. So in you will face that situation where the data you are getting is not in the proper form. It is not in the type you wanted, so you have to convert it into the type which you required, the type which will help you to do whatever you wanted to do. So that's why we need to learn about data type conversion. So data type conversion simply means converting one data type into another. That's fine. Okay, that's the simplest definition we can say. Let's say how we can implement and how we can actually understand this, what is data type conversion. Okay, so focus on the screen and I will ask you some questions, guys. And it will be it will not that much hard question. It is very easy. Suppose I will write a equal to 10. Okay, so if I will write a is equal to 12.2, fine. So I will write 12.3. Let's take 12.5. Okay, so what is the type of this a, guys? Yes, what is the type of this a? What is the type?
Float.
Float? Everyone, guys, is it? Can we say the type of a is float? Can we say this? Yes, guys, can we say this 12.5 in a variable a having a float value?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if I will write b is equal to 190, can we say b has an integer type? Yes. Yeah. Right. So
Yes, sir.
if I will write c is equal to in single quote a, can I say c as a type of character? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I will write name is equal to Rohan, so again, can I say this is a string? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But you don't have to mention it explicitly. You don't have to write integer a equal to 10. You don't have to write this, guys, because in Python interpreter, after you will insert a value in any variable, the interpreter will automatically conclude based upon the value you have inserted inside a variable. It will automatically conclude the type of that. So you don't have to worry about type. Just create a variable name and equal to value. Fine. Okay. So here I am getting what I am getting 12.5. And if I will write b is equal to a, so if I will write b is equal to a, what will be the value of b? Yes, guys. If I will write b equal to a, what will be the value of b? Yes. Can we say b, the value of b will be 12.5? Yes, guys.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes,
Can
sir.
we say value of b is equal to 12.5? What is this a? So this a is equal to 12.5. So a has a value is it 12.2. So a is equal to 12.5. Okay. So if I am writing b is equal to a, can we say we are doing b is equal to 12.5? Can we say like this? In the end, we are doing this. Yes. Can we say we are doing this by doing this? Can we say after
Yes,
writing
sir.
this, I am doing this? Yes. Okay. So what will the type of B? If I wanted to print, if I will print the type of B, I will print and here I will open type and again parenthesis and pass B. So what will be the type of B, guys? Yes. What will be the type of B? Yes, guys. Can we say it is a float? Because we are doing this. Yes. Can we say we are assigning the value of A to B and the type of B will be a float again? Yes. Everyone, can we say like this? Yeah. What will the type of B? It will be float because you are assigning the value of A into B and the value of A is 12.5. Then the value of the type of B is also will. What will the type of B? क्या होगा type of B? Yes, guys. क्या होगा type of B? Everyone, what will be the type of B? अच्छा मुझे बताइए आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो? यस एवरीवन, आर यू गेटिंग कंफ्यूज? कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो? यस, आर यू गेटिंग कंफ्यूज? रसिका, साक्षी, Yes, Rashika, Sakshi, Rushi, Payal, Kunal. Are you getting confused? Hmm? Guys, yes or no? Will you respond?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this or not? Are you getting this, guys? So what we are doing, we are assigning the value of b into
Yes,
a.
sir.
Yeah. So we will get the float again. Okay, but if I want, I'm getting this b is equal to 12.5, but I don't want 12.5. I only want 12. So whenever we talk about any number, suppose 1 to any number, like let's say infinity. I'm just taking infinity as a number, okay? Infinity. I want only a number, not a float value. I don't want this 12.5. I only want 12. Okay, so we can convert this 12.5 into integer. So how I can do, I wanted to assign this 12.5 into b. मुझे assign करना है this 12.5 to b. मुझे करना है assign. But मुझे type of b जो है वो float नहीं चाहिए. I want integer. So what I will write? I will write integer. How to convert it? I will write integer and I will open parenthesis. Okay, so this is the parenthesis. I have written integer parenthesis and inside this I will pass a. Okay, so whatever inside is whatever you will put inside this integer, okay, it will get converted into integer. Are you getting this? It will be not 12.5, it will be 12 because you have wrapped this a with the help of integer. Now this integer will convert this a into a integer, or we can say a integer type. It will not convert this. Let's say I will just print b. I will print b. Okay, so if it is a number, you will get a 12. You will not get a 12.5. Okay, so if you will run this, what you will get? You will get a 12. Yeah, because it is not a float right now. It is a integer. So with this, you can convert from one data type to in any other data type. Suppose I have 12. Let's take I have 12 as a integer value. So the type of a will be yes, guys. If I will write like this, and if I will print here type of b, if I will print the type of b, what will be the type of b here, sorry, or a? If I will print 12 and type of a, so what is the what will be the type of a, what we will get? Yes, guys, b का type क्या होगा?
Integer.
Integer, right? But if I wanted to convert this 12 into a float value, can we do it? Yes, we can do. So I will write b is equal to, so if I wanted to convert it into a float, so I will write float, right? And in I wrap this a with the help of float. And if I will run, I will not print the type of b. I will just write it b. So after running this, what you will get? You will get a 12.0 because you have converted this 12 into a floating value. Are you getting this, guys? Yes. Is that clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So same way, you can convert string into a number as well. Suppose I have a and I will write 1, 2, 3. So I have a string. This a has a 1, 2, 3, which is not a number. It is a string. Okay, so I can convert this string into a number. I will write b is equal to, I will write integer and I will wrap this a with this integer. Now, if I will print, I will print, okay, if I will print just type of a, or sorry, type of b. So I will write type and here I will wrap this with the help of a, sorry, b. I will write b. So type of b. So what is the output you are getting? You are getting integer because with this line you have converted this a into integer, which has a before it has a string. The type of a was string, but now you have converted it into an integer. Are you getting this, guys? If I will run this, okay. So if I will run this and let's see what is the output you are getting. You will get a number. Why I have written type? Because if I will print simple, if I will print, let's see, I will remove this. Okay, I will remove this and I will just print a. So if I will directly print a, you will say it is a string. Sorry, it is a number. It will look like a number. It will not look like a string. Let me run this and where is my terminal? Okay, after running this, you can see it is a 1, 2, 3. But if you will see, it is 1, 2, 3. But the type is string. Huh? it is a 1 2 3, and after this I will write print the type of A. Okay, after this I will print the type of A, and I will wrap this. I'm doing this type of A inside a print because I wanted to print its type. That's why I'm doing this. So yeah, so after run this, I can see 1 2 3. So this is the line printing 1 2 3, and after this line printing the type of this. So what is the output we are getting, right? Okay, so we are getting what 1 2 3, and it is a string. It is not a number. So we wanted to convert this into a number. Yeah, you can convert it very easy. How we can do? So I will write b is equal to, okay, let you can convert this with the same variable as well, but I am just making it simple. So I will write b is equal to, and I wanted to convert it into integer. I will wrap this A with this integer class. It is a class, okay? So we have no what is my class. Okay, fine. So if I will print B, it will look same. Okay, it will look 1 2 3. But if I will print type of B, what is the type of B? You will get an integer. Sorry, you will get an integer. So if I will run this, you can see 1 2 3, but the type is integer. Are you getting this, guys? Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear. Very easy to execute. It's not always necessary or mandatory that you have to convert string into integer. You can convert a number to into string as well. So if you want to convert from number to string, you will write n is equal to, I will write 1 2 3. So I want to convert this 1 2 3 into string, so I will write b is equal to, I will write str. So str class we have, so I will write str of n. So this b will convert it into, this n will convert it into string, because you have wrapped this n with the alpha integer class is stored in the b. So you can convert it very easy. So yesterday we have seen, whenever we take input, we have seen how to take an input from user, right? So I will remove everything. So whenever we take input, it's not a number, it's a string. Whenever you take input, always remember, whenever you take input, it will always taken as a string. So whenever you take input, it will always taken in the form of string. It will always taken in the form of string. You will see it is number. If you are printing that, you will see, okay, it is a number, but the type of that, it is not a number, it will be string. So if I will print, if I will take, let's take, I will write a equal to, I will write a is equal to, and I will write input. I want to take an input, so I will write a is equal to input. Fine, and here I will write enter the number. You can give some message that, yeah, enter the number. So I will write okay, so it is a number, and I will just print this. I will print a, and after this I will print the type of a. So I will write type and a. Okay, so inside this I have written the type of a because it will print the type. That's why I have written this type of a inside a print statement. So if we will run this now, let's see what we can get. So always remember, whenever you take input from user, it will always taken in the form of string. So it is asking me enter the number. I will write 100. Okay, it is 100, but the type is string. It is not a number. Okay, and whenever we do some arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, you need number. You need an integer value. You don't need. You can't do these arithmetic operations on string, because if you did like this, if you have did like this, you have a 10. Okay, and plus it is a string. That's why I am mentioning this inside a string. So I will write 10 plus 20. If you will do this, it is called as a concatenation operation, and you will get 10 and 20 because it is just concatenating means it is just joining two string. So concatenation means you can see it is a joining two string. Okay, so it is a string 1, so 10 is a string 1, 20 is a string 2. So it is joining two strings. You will get this unexpected output because 10 and 20 is not a 1020, it is 30. So we have to do a type casting here. We can say data type conversion. Data type conversion is also known as a type casting. So we need a number here, and we are getting a string value because we are getting 10. And suppose I will write here again, I will write b is equal to, I will write b is equal to, I will write input. B is equal to input. I will write uh, enter number 2. Okay, so here I will write enter number 1. Fine. So here I will make some formatting so that it will look like, yeah, it is a number. Okay, so enter number 1, enter number 2, and inside after that what I will do, I will do just sum is equal to a plus b, and I will print sum. Okay, and after that I will print the type of sum. Let's see what will happen. So it will do concatenation operation. It's called as concatenation. I will write 10, I will write 20. After this you are getting 1020 and it is a string. Are you getting this, guys? So whenever we take input from user, it will always come in the form of string. Yes. So whenever we take input from user, in which form you will get it, guys? I'm asking you. Hello.
Integer form.
जब भी आप इनपुट लोगे फ्रॉम रन टाइम, तो वो किस फॉर्म में लिया जाएगा, किस टाइप में आपको मिलेगा इनपुट? जब भी
String.
आप इनपुट लोगे, जब भी आप इनपुट लोगे, तो आपको इनपुट किस टाइप में मिलेगा? इन विच टाइप यू विल गेट योर इनपुट? यस,
String.
it will always take in the form of string.
String.
Always, huh? Always remember, whenever you take input from user, in which form it will take, in which type it will take? Yes,
String.
string form, right? Always remember, it will always take in the form of string. So whenever you do some arithmetic operations, you need integer, right? And you are getting string. So here we are getting 10 and 20, but the type of this C, it is a string, because we are getting 10 and 20. We have did some operations, but it is just concatenating this. That's why I have told this. So 10 and 20, 10 is a 20 is a B, and it is just doing 1020, concatenating two strings, adding, joining two strings. Yeah, so we have learned about data type conversions, guys. We can do some conversions here as well. So I will just cut this line, and I will write integer. I want to convert it integer. I will write integer parenthesis, and inside this I will paste the same line input, the line which we have been writing before. I will wrap this line with the help of integer class. Again, I will tell you how you can do it. How we have to do this kind of things. Very very easy. Huh? It is not that easy as it is looking like or looks like. Okay, it is not that hard. So I know whenever I take input from user, it will always take it in the form of string type. So I will just cut this line. I will write input wrap open parenthesis, and inside this I will pass this input statement. So whatever the input you are getting here, it will convert it into an integer. It will get converted. Always remember, you will do this by understanding what you have to do. Okay, so if you need a number integer, you will convert it. If you don't need number, then you will not do some hard work here. Okay, so I will let 10, I will let 20, and I can get a 30 here, and I can say the type of this 30 is integer. So it is how we can do some data type conversions. Yes, guys, are you getting this? Yes, इतना clear है everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any problem हुआ तो you can ask me. You can ask me what if you have any problem in data type conversion. You can ask me some questions. Why we are doing this? Why we have to write this line? Why we write this line here? Why we are wrapping this? So if you have any kind of questions, you can ask me about data type conversion. Yes, guys, आपको कुछ problem है in data type conversion? Yes, yes or no?
No.
Okay,
No, sir.
okay. So this is how the data type conversion is look like. Then we will go for the next concept, which is your conditioning statement. We have executed this. So now let's go and talk about this conditioning. You know what is my if, you know what is my else. Okay, conditioning statement. So सबसे पहले conditioning statement हम execute करते हैं if. Okay, then if else. Okay, then if else if. Okay, and जैसे हमारे पास जावा में switch case होता है, right? We have a switch case in Java. Here we have a match case. Okay, guys, समझ में आ रहा है? So in condition statement, we are going to see if else if, and match case. We have a nested if as well. Huh? Sorry. So after that, we have a nested if. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, guys?
Yes,
Clear
sir.
hai? So if
Yes, sir.
else if nested if and switch. So let's start with the like if. So see, every time understand in Java how we write in Java how we write if statement in Java, how we write if statement, guys? Yes, in Java how we write if statement. Yes. So first we write if, then of inside this what we are getting some condition, right? Opening brace, closing brace. Yes. Can we say can we write the conditioning if statement inside Java like this? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And inside
Yes.
this you have the task you have to do after that condition will fulfill, right? Right? Are you getting this? But in Python, okay, in Python we don't have open brace, open and close braces. Okay, close brackets. Let's say brackets. We don't have opening and closing brackets in Python. So how we have to write? So first, let's understand. In Python, we don't have opening closing brackets. We have we have, okay, we have an indentation, indentations. So in Python, we will you will not have any opening closing bracket. You will always have a indentation. So what is the meaning of this indentation? So how to write this if statement in Python? सबसे पहले हमें लिखना है if, इसके अंदर आपके आगे कंडीशन सेम कंडीशन विल बी देयर, okay, and after this you will not open and close, you will write colon, okay, you will write colon, and after colon you will hit enter. So after enter you will get some indentation here, you will get some indentation here. So after enter you will get some indentation here, okay. So this is your indentation and your line from your task will be written here. So if you are getting confused, I'm not understanding this, let's see. So I wanted to check whether number is even or odd. I wanted to check whether the number is even or odd. So how we can do, and what what is my this indentation? So I will write if. So I will just take integer, not integer. I will write a is equal to 100. Okay. So I want to check whether this number is even or odd. Okay. Let's take 24. Okay. So I want to check. So what I will write? I will write if, and after if I will open brackets, and inside this I will write if number modular 2 equal to 0. And समझ में आ रहा है guys? Are you getting this? So we add some conditions, right? So modular is a arithmetic operator and equal to is a comparison operator or relational operator. Yes, समझ में आ रहा है? इसी तरह से हम चेक करते हैं इवन है या नहीं है. Yes, guys, are you getting this? Everyone. So we check, right? We check like this: if a modulo 2 equal to 0, so it is even. And after this, you will not open this opening brace closing. You will get error. So after this, you just have to write. You just have to put colon, okay. And after colon, you will hit enter. And when you will hit enter, you will get some distance here. You can see some distance here, okay. So you can see some distance here. You are getting some distance from here to here. Are you getting this? My cursor, look my cursor and my this line. You are getting some indentation. Are you getting some gap here? Yes, it is indentation. So after colon, you will hit enter. So when you hit enter, you are inside this if statement. There is no open close bracket. And whatever you have to write, you will write here. So if a model to equal to 0, I will write this is even. Yes, guys. Are you getting this? So in Python, we have a colon. We don't have a opening brace closing brace. Again, I will tell you. So I have written if number model to equal to 0, I will write colon, hit enter. After enter, you are inside this if statement and you are getting some indentations here. Are you getting this? So let me write something. I will write print. Yeah. So I will write this is even. Are you getting this? This is even. And you can see some gap here. You can observe some gap this from this to this. So this is called as indentation. Yes, guys. Can you see the gap? From the main screen to the print statement. It is called as indentation. Yes, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is, if we will run this, it is a true. We will get this is even number. We have already seen this in Java. Okay, even odd. Yeah, so this is even. Okay, so if I wanted to go for if else, yeah, we can go after this. Go here because you are going for else. Okay, यहाँ पे बात करने के बाद आपको अगर आप इसी के अंदर लिखते हो तो नेस्टेड हो जाता है, आपको इसके बाहर आना है. सो यू विल गो, अगर आपका कर्सर यहाँ पे आता है इस if के अंदर तो आपको यहाँ पे लेके जाना है. Okay, so I will write else here and here I will print odd. This is odd number. Fine. So this is even number, and you will need some practice, guys. You will need some practice with dealing with this indentation to understand this indentation. Try to do some problems. Try to work out. Try to do some questions. You will get it. So initially you will mess up with this indentation, but it's fine. You after a little bit of practice you will get it. Okay, so if this n modulo 2 equal to zero, this is true. So I know whenever the condition will be true, I will get the output of the statement. So after running this, so what is the output we are getting? We are getting like yeah, this number is even. Okay, so let's change the number. I will change this number with let's take 30 or like a 17. 17 is odd number. So the block of if will be false. We have already discussed this in Java. The block of this if will be false and it will go in else and it will print the odd. So if you will run this, yeah, so you can see this number is even or odd. Yes, guys, are you getting this? How to write a if else statement in Java? Sorry, in Python.
Yes, sir.
Yes, is that clear? Everybody,
Yes, sir.
do you have any issue? आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है कि ये किस तरह से लिखते हैं? In you can ask me some question. If you have any problem in writing this if else statement, you can ask me some question. Yes, guys. Any question from your side?
No, sir.
Honestly, yes, everyone, please ask. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me. Okay, so we have worked out with this if. Okay, we have done if. Okay, so we have done if else. Okay, we can go for if else. Very easy, huh? Very easy. So let's take. If I wanted to check whether the number is positive, negative, or zero. I wanted to check whether the number is positive, negative, or zero. So I will check if number is greater than zero. So if number is greater than zero, this number will be if okay, tell me if the number is greater than zero, is it positive, negative, or zero? Yes. If the number is greater than zero, will it positive, negative, or zero?
Positive.
Positive, right? So I will write this number is positive. Fine. After this, I will not else. I wanted to check another condition. So I will write L if. Okay. So we don't write else if here. else if ऐसे नहीं लिखते इसके अंदर. हमें ऐसे लिखना पड़ता है L and then हम लिखते हैं if. Okay. L if. It is called as L if in Python. L if. Again, I will open the brackets. So I will write if number is less than 0. Okay. So if number is less, again I will hit colon and hit enter. You are inside this else. So tell me if the number is less than 0, will it positive, negative, or 0? Yes, guys. If the number is less than 0, is it positive?
Negative.
Negative, right? So I will write this is a negative. Negative. Yeah. Okay. But if the number is not positive, not negative, so what it will? If the number is not positive, it is not negative. So what it will be?
Zero.
0. So I don't want it to. I don't have to check any condition for 0. I will directly write else colon. Yeah. So print 0. Right? Are you getting this, guys? How to check? How we can use if else if statements? Yes,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Yeah. So what is the output of this program? Yes,
Positive.
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 This first statement is true. Okay, tell me what is this? What is the output of this code?
Zero.
0.
0.
Okay, what is the output of this code?
Negative.
Negative, right? Okay.
Negative.
So it is how we like work out with if else. Very easy. You just need some. You just have to type some line of code in Python to get familiar with this about the indentation. Okay. So because concept we have already learned in Java. So all the concept we have did. So here your speed will be 2x 3x. Okay, okay, fine. Because when if you remember in Java, we were not doing the things as fast we are doing it right now, because there we have to know what it is. We were in the learning process. We were trying to understand what is this if else, what is this condition, what is this greater than, less than, how does it work. But now you know how does it work. You know how does actually it work. So you don't need any explanation. You need only the way we have to write the line of code. Where you need to know something, I will explain you. Okay. So yeah, so it is how if else if will work. Then we have an nested if. Okay. So for today, we will not go further. We will stop here. So today we have seen if else if nested if. Sorry, if else if else if, and we have seen like a data type conversion and these three conditional statement. Again, I will send you some questions on the group. You haven't submitted the today's question, right? आज के क्वेश्चंस आपने सबमिट नहीं करे। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपके जो क्वेश्चन है वो देख लेता हूँ। आई विल सी कि आपको उस क्वेश्चंस में क्या दिक्कत आ रही है, तो उसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन हम देखते हैं कि क्या मैंने आपको दिया था। सो विल ट्राई टू गेट आउट द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आई हैव गिवन यू। तो डिक्लेयर द टू वेरिएबल, ठीक है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिक्लेयर द टू वेरिएबल x and y with the value of 5 and 3 and print the sum. Yes, can you do it, guys? Declare the x and y,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sum and print the sum. Yes, you can do it. Create a variable
Yes, sir.
create a variable name and assign your name to it. Print a greeting message using this variable. So what you have to do? You have to only create one variable and assign your name to it and print the greeting message. Okay, you have to print the greeting message. How we can print? Very very easy, guys. It is very easy, very much easy. Okay, so how we can do some concatenation. You know what is means concatenation. We will do some concatenation. Yeah. So I will write a name is equal to, I will write Rohan. Okay, I will write Rohan. So here I will print what? I will print Rohan. Okay, I will write name, not Rohan, name. So if you wanted to concatenate something, okay, so if you wanted to concatenate something, we will write plus here, right? Plus I will write Rohan, welcome back to home, right? So we have written Rohan plus welcome back to home, and it is greeting message. So you can see Rohan, welcome back. So here it is touching, right? So this statement is touching. So I will give the space to this welcome, and here we add some exclamatory marks, okay, for formatting. So if you will run this, yeah, you can see Rohan, welcome back to home. So this is what we are getting. Are you getting this, guys? How to print this greeting message with the name? Yes, guys, everyone, are you getting this? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then third question: write a program to swap two number a and b without using temporary variable. So this question you can do it, guys. Okay, third question you can do it. We have seen this in our Java programming language. We know the logic of this. Try to do it. If you have made some mistakes, totally fine. But I will say, go and try it. Go fail. Then question number 4. Calculate the area of a rectangle with the length and width and assign result to variable called area to it. Yeah, you can do it, guys, right? Question number 4 is not that much hard. Question number 5. Declare the variable my list and 3 print the, okay. So 5 question you will not get it right now. It needs more concept understanding. 6. The variable sentence assigned to string printed. Create a variable string sentence and assign a string to it and print the. Okay, so question number 6. Okay, create a variable sentence. So whenever if we wanted to find out the length of any string, so what is length? So I will say 0. This r is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the length of this? Length means how many characters this string has. How many character this string has. So I wanted to calculate the length of this string. So I will write L, or I will write length. Okay, I will write length. So if I want to calculate the length of any string, you have a length function len. Okay, you have a length function len, and inside this len just pass the name. Okay, inside this length just pass the name. So after running this you will get okay, sorry, so I have not printed this length, so I will just print this length. So after printing this length, so if I will run this, and yeah, so what is the output you are getting? You are getting 5. So 5 is the length, right? So 5 length means how many character does this string has. So it has a 5 character, so you are getting length is equal to 5. Yes guys, are you getting this?
Yes.
Okay, so question number 6 will be this. You have to solve this and submit the assignment. Your assignments is getting evaluated, guys. Don't take it like a joke. It is not a joke. Write a Python program to calculate the perimeter of a square with the side length, width, height, side length, width. Assign the result to a variable called as a perimeter. So you just have to calculate the perimeter of square. You have to calculate the perimeter of square. And what is square? The square has a 4 side, and every side is just like has the same length. Okay, so perimeter is simply means sum of all the sides of a square. So you can calculate, take the sides and calculate the perimeter of this. Very easy. Just you have to sum all the length of length and height. We can say you can calculate, or you can sum all the sides of the square. You will get perimeter. So question number 8, print the calculate perimeter. Okay, question number 8 will be perimeter. Question number 9, create a variable is reading and assign boolean value to it. So we know what is a boolean value, right? True or false value, right? So we know boolean value. So boolean value का मतलब होता है जिसमें true और false होता है. तो वो क्या बोलता है? Is running वाला एक function बना variable बना. So is running. Create a is running function and assign a boolean value. So I will write true, and here you have to write TRUE, capital, not small. True. Okay. So you have assigned this true value to this variable boolean. Okay. So this is a boolean type. So there is a one more type which is called as a boolean. So it only hold the true and false value. Okay, so it is this question number 9. Then declare a variable my dictionary and assign the dictionary. Okay, so you can question number 5 and question number 10 you can skip for now. Okay, question number 5 and question number 6 you can skip, and you have to solve all the remaining questions, make a PDF of that question and submit into the group. Okay, and whatever we have seen today in today's lecture or topic, so you have to again solve the questions and submit into the group. Those who are not submitting, okay, I will not allow you into the sessions. Getting this? So you have to submit the assignments. If you have any question, you can ask me, guys. So whatever we have seen today, if you have any kind of confusion or questions, you can ask me. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Do you have any questions, guys? कुछ question है? कुछ question है? साक्षी, Lucy, Rasika, Payal. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
पक्का समझ में आ रहा है? फास्ट हो रहा है?
Yes.
गाइस फास्ट हो रहा है क्या?
नहीं सर.
अच्छा,
No, sir.
लैंग्वेज में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? हिंदी मराठी यूज करना है?
हिंदी सर, हिंदी.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
फाइन.
हिंदी.
सो कल के सेशन से हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे, चलेगा?
नहीं सर, हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों मिक्स चलेंगी सर.
अच्छा, मिक्स चाहिए है ना? सब वेराइटी चाहिए?
हाँ. जावा जैसे पढ़ाया ना सर वैसे.
जैसे जावा पढ़ा है वैसे ही, एकदम एग्जैक्ट वैसे ही चाहिए,
हाँ
राइट?
सर.
नहीं तो ज्वाइन नहीं करोगे?
नहीं सर, करूँगा सर.
ओके गाइस, चलेगा. सो विल स्टार्ट टुमारो. यू विल नॉट हैव एनी सेशन गाइस. आपका कल सेशन नहीं होगा. सो सैटरडे, फॉर सैटरडे वी विल टेक अ सेशन बिकॉज आई विल बी इन train. So in that time I couldn't send you and take your session for next day. So you will not have any session for tomorrow.